I don't want a broken heart. I don't want to play. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, definitely subscribe and join the family. If you guys are already a part of the family, welcome back. I missed y'all. I have been gone for a long time. But guys, your girl have been busy. She has been busy working on a project that I'll show you guys soon. But yeah, I've been busy, but let's talk about life update. What's new? What's new with y'all? How y'all doing? Like, what's going on? Y'all gonna chill with me today. Spend the day with me. Well, my day is already halfway through, but your girl's gonna go get some food and I'll be back. So guys, I got some jerk chicken and festival and babbles. That looks amazing. I can't wait to dive in. Guys, my belly is full. I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's a little bit loud in here, but guys, my belly full bad. I'm gonna eat some more too. Like, look at this. Done all of the food finished. So I'm going to go back home now and clean. You guys can clean with me. Anyways, guys, I got food and now I'm back and you guys are going to basically spend the day with me. I'm gonna do some cleaning. Well, not some heavy cleaning. I'm just gonna do a little cleaning and y'all gonna spend the day with me. And yeah, let me go back in my position. My belly's full. That jerk chicken was amazing. Like, guys, that food was good. I had it the other day and I was like, yo, I have to get this again. That's how good it was. And I got it again. So if you guys are definitely in this area, go and check out Scotchies Jerk Center. It's in it's in Jack's Hall. So you guys can check it out, try their jerk chicken, try their festival. It is amazing. Anyways, guys, how have you guys been? Like, how are you guys managing the lockdown? Guys, I'm still in Jamaica, obviously. Canada border is still closed. I don't know what they're going on with. Like, I don't know what's going on, but man's them not opening the border. Anyways, Jamaica is fine. Curfew hours. Not even gonna talk about that. We have lockdown this weekend because it's a holiday. But how have you guys been doing? Like, how are you guys coping during this time? All of that. Let me know, guys. I'm just here. I'm here and I'm living it up, so you guys should too. Anyways, y'all gonna come clean with me today, so let me just set this up somewhere so that that's the dryer going off. That means that it's complete and it's time for me to go spread some bed. I'm pretty sure it said it's something in a dry. What's anyways, guys, come with me. We're going to do the master bedroom first. Okay. I don't want a broken heart. I don't want to play the broken hearted girl. No. Guys, if you don't know me, you know so me love sing, but me can't sing. I cannot sing to save my life. I cannot. So we're going to spread this bed. Maybe that will save my life. Anyways, this big old sheet, this big old bed for starters. Oh, needs like 2 of me to spread this, or 3 or 4 of me. Gotta bring this up to the other room. Why do I have 2 footed sheets? It's not this one. That's a small bed. I just realized you guys can hardly see me, but it's turning like that. Better. That is better. That is better, family. That is better for us to see now. I promise I'm just a tad bit crazy, not always. This ain't time heals. We're clean. So guys, we're on to room 2. Your girl is tired. Not gonna lie. Your girl is tired. We're gonna get this done regardless. Just clean up the place, guys, because like nobody's gonna be here and you want it to leave clean, you know, everything well put together. And then the professional cleaners will come in, but I just wanted to leave clean. I don't want to leave like too much work for them, if you guys get what I mean. I'm not like that. So yeah, I'm just taking a little break, a breather, because your girl is tired. I don't want to go to sleep angry. Look at my rolls. I need to do a detox to get rid of this. Anyways, let me get to work. Y'all, my phone battery died. I didn't even realize, but I'm finished with room 2. My head is like messy and all because I've been sweating, but I'm done. Room 2 complete. Looking pretty. Now I'm just gonna go clean up the fridge, wait on this guy to come fix something for me, and then I'm gonna go have dinner with my mama. So you guys can stay with me until 10. We are clean, guys, so now it's time for me to head out for dinner because I don't want the curfew to catch me. It's now after 6, so I'm going to head out, guys, and I'll talk to you guys at dinner. Guys, me eat the little food and I get copyright. I can't end the video here. So guys, I didn't even get to finish my video last night because, boy, I made a try to end it, but the food, the itis, took right over and I fell asleep without finishing it. So this is the end, guys. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys all like, subscribe, share with your friends, and y'all take care.